Kim Pao Day 5 in Cebu, Kim Chu at Paolo Avellino, nag-gym muna bago pumunta sa taping. Balamban, Cebu July 5, 2025, talagang walang pahinga sa sipag at dedication ang Kim Pao tandem. Sa ikalimang araw ng kanilang stay sa Cebu para sa taping ng kanilang bagong project, sina Kim Chu at Paolo Avellino ay spotted nagwo-workout sa resort gym bago sumabak sa isang buong araw ng shooting. Morning workout goals. Ayon sa mga staff ng West 35 Eco Mountain Resort, maaga pa lang ay nasa gym na sina Kim at Paolo, pareho naka-sportswear at naka-focus sa kani-kanilang routines. Kim was doing light cardio and ab workouts. Paolo lifted weights and did core training. Sabi nga ng isang fan na nakausap ang trainer, mas mahigit, nakakatuwa silang panoorin. Kim kept cheering Paolo on habang nagbubuhat siya. Tapos si Paolo, tahimik lang pero binabantayan kung tama ang form ni Kim. After gym, diretso taping. Pagkatapos ng workout, nag-breakfast lang sandali si Kim at Paolo, then changed outfits and headed straight to taping location nearby. A production crew shared that both stars looked energized and glowing sa set, proof na fitness talaga ang secret ng Kim Pao glow. Netizens can't get enough. Mas mahigit, power couple vibes. Gym before taping. Sobrang sipag. Paolo supporting Kim's healthy lifestyle. Yes please. Sabay sila sa lahat, kahit sa pawis at pagod. Kim Pao's unstoppable bond. Whether it's sharing a peaceful moment in nature or sweating it out in the gym, Kim and Paolo are proven to be in sync in more ways than one. While the two still remain mum on their real status, the Cebu trip is practically a soft launch ng forever, according to fans. Don't miss the exclusive behind-the-scenes clips from Day 5 of Kim Pao in Cebu. Follow Celebrity Hub for daily updates, exclusive videos, and all things Kim Pao.